Who can resist a bowl of fresh, juicy, and vibrant fruit salad drizzled with a sweet and tangy honey lime dressing? This honey lime fruit salad is the perfect refreshing and nutritious dish that's bursting with natural sweetness and citrusy zing. Let's get started. Ingredients: 2 kiwis, ½ pound fresh strawberries, 2 mangoes, 2 bananas, ½ pound fresh blueberries, 2 tablespoons honey, juice of 1 lime. In a large mixing bowl, add the sliced strawberries, diced kiwis, mango chunks, banana slices, and fresh blueberries. The vibrant colors should already be making you excited. In a small, separate bowl, whisk together the honey and freshly squeezed lime juice until fully combined. This sweet and tangy syrup will enhance the natural fruit flavors. Pour the honey lime syrup over the mixed fruit and gently toss everything together until evenly coated. Be careful not to mash the softer fruits. Garnish with fresh mint leaves for an extra touch of freshness. Serve immediately for a fresh, juicy bite, or chill for 15 minutes for an even more refreshing experience. And there you have it, a simple, healthy, and utterly delicious honey lime fruit salad that's perfect for hot summer days, brunches, or even meal prepping. Try it out and let me know in the comments how you liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more delicious recipes.